Hello everyone, welcome to channel. I hope your CAT 2023 preparation going on well. As there are only 10 days left for your examination, I will not take much of your time. I am here quickly brief you about exam pattern. Is it going to be same as last year? Or there are any changes that can be expected in the exam pattern? Before I start with this discussion, make sure you watch this complete video till the end because this is going to be very important video. This will help you to build your strategy that you're going to use in your exam. Also like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it. And I also want to mention one thing that last year, if you guys have followed, जिन लोगों ने last year videos देखे होंगे, if you have followed me last year, I have suggested one change that you can expect in the LRDA paper, and that was true. You had find that thing in the examination. Now let's get started with this thing. So let's first see what was CAT 2022 look like. In CAT 2022, there were total 66 questions and 2 hour examination. So this year also your examination is as 2 hour. So number of questions also going to be same, that is 66. So I'm expecting there will be again 66 questions in the examination. Now let's talk about topic wise, section wise let's talk about. So in first let's talk about VRC section. So in VRC section, last year there was 24 questions. So this year also I'm expecting 24 questions. So this is gonna be same. And let's talk about RC. So there were last year 4 into 4, like 4 questions each RC, 4 RCs, total 16 RC questions. So this year also expected same 4 cross 4, 16 RC questions. And then remaining it will be 8 questions of VA. So last year we have seen some changes. There was first time fill in the blanks type of, not first time, like they have been asked very earlier. Like there were fill in the blanks question. So this year also we can expect like maybe there will be odd out, there will be para completion type of questions in place of, like there are 3 summary questions. So instead of 3 summary, there may be 2 summary question, 1 para completion and 1 odd out and fill in the blanks. This type of thing can be there, or in the place of fill in the blanks there can be para completion also, but total questions will be 8. So I hope this is clear. So this is for your VRC. So prepare like in this manner also, that there may be para completion and even there may be para completion. I hope you guys are understanding. Fill in the blanks is like you need to fill in between. Para completion is like you need to complete the last sentence of the last part of the paragraph. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so this change may be there, but overall number of questions and distribution will be the same. Now let's talk about LRDA section. So LRDA section, like earlier there used to be 6 6 3 3 कुछ ऐसा pattern होता था. And last year I told, I think 2 days before in the live session, that there may be 5 into 4 type of questions. Like there will be 4 date sets with the 5 question each, or there may be like 5 sets with 4 question each. I have suggested this type of thing and my prediction was right. Again this year I'm also expecting same type of, there will be 20 questions. Last year also 20 question 40 minute. But one thing I'm expecting, maybe अगर ये होता है, so this will be also good for you guys. Like so earlier there was 5 into 4, like 5 question each, 4 sets. So what I'm expecting, if there is change, so this might be the change, 5 your sets with the 4 questions each. So this may be a major change, like your 5 sets with 4 questions each. Number of questions will be same, but again this is again prediction, so this may go wrong also. Last year also I have given 2 type of predictions, that there may be 5 into 4 or 4 into 5. So last year was 4 into 5. 4 into 5, I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. 5 into 4 मतलब कि 5 questions 4 sets है ना, 4 sets या फिर 4 cross 5 कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो this thing might be there. this इस year ऐसा हो सकता है कि तुम्हारे 5 sets आ जाए और सब में 4 क्वेश्चन हो. तो what I'm finding, this is good for you guys. ये अच्छा भी है तुम लोगों का. तो like you don't need to be get afraid. एग्जाम में पैनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं if you see these changes. But again like I think 80% चांसेस यही हैं कि वही आएगा जो लास्ट ईयर था, कि like 5 क्वेश्चन 4 सेट्स. 80% चांसेस यही है, बट अगर 20% चांस ये है कि 4 into 5 वो कर सकते हैं. So this was about your LRDA. And now let's talk about quant section. So in quant section I don't think there is too much to talk about. Again I think 22 questions will be there. Maybe they can do it 24 या 1-2 क्वेश्चन बढ़ाया घटा सकते हैं, तो ओवरऑल में वो 66 में 1-2 बढ़ जाएगा. अदरवाइज पैटर्न गोना बी सेम. एंड आई विल ट्राई टू डू अ फ्यू लाइव सेशन सून, maybe this Saturday or Sunday. there I can like give you in detail about कि quant का breakup क्या हो सकता है, या फिर depending on if you guys I hope this is clear, everything is done. Then let me come to this thing. So I hope this is clear. Summary is that 66 questions, same 24, 20, 22 questions there will be there. One change that you may see in the VRC that I told. Second, that in LRD also you can expect. Apart from this paper gonna be, everything gonna be same. Regarding difficulty level and all the thing and all the breakup of quant, if you want this type of video, if you want me to explain what type of questions from which section and difficulty level, like तुम्हारा अर्थमेटिक से कितना क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, अलजेब्रा से कितना आ सकता है, ज्योमेट्री से, and all these things, if you want this type of video, you can let me know in the comment section. If there are like enough queries, I will maybe do a live session, or I can put a recording also there. So that's it. All the best for your CAT 2023. I hope you guys clear with this examination with flying colors and get into your dream B school.